Hello everybody, it's Larry with Living Like Larry. And to continue on with my state park tour of Ohio, we are at Geneva on the Lake State Park now. I don't know much about it. I just happen to be driving by and I'm going to take you for a drive through it. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like to see more of my videos or like my want to see more upcoming videos, go ahead and subscribe. And thank you for watching, and here we are at Geneva on the Lake State Park in Ohio, located on the shores of Lake Erie. Thank you for watching. Actually, up here there'll be a sign that says a little bit more of what they have. You got the park office, a boat ramp, a marina, and a picnic area to the right. I'm going to go ahead and go straight and see what's up there. Bike trails, archery range, and a marina. Okay, here's a little more. Straight ahead you have a beach, cabins, camping, and registration. So this place also has a beach and a campgrounds. Nice wooded area going up through here. So I'm just going to drive along, and I'm going to be quiet now and let you enjoy the ride. Okay, seems like a nice little drive. Got some woods on both sides of the road. I think the first thing we're going to check out is the beach, so let's go check out the beach. Nice big parking lot here at the beach. Looks like actually you look down, the beaches drop down. It's a nice big beach here. Couple paths going down, a paved walkway past some restrooms and some changing rooms. Looks like a lot of sand here mixed in with some crushed shells, but plenty of room for a beach day. So let's go check out the rest of the park. So as we drive on down, well, that looks like a private campground there on the side of the road. There on the left. And here down the road on the left, there's the park campground. And right to the right of that are some cabins here. As I'm driving down, I noticed this goes right out into the residential area. I think I need to turn around and go check out the campgrounds and the cabins. Still a nice drive. Like the lake runs along right on the side of the road here through most of it. And as we pull in the campground, looks like there's some primitive spots here out front. There's the camp office. And there's a road that leads back to more campsites, it looks like. We won't go back there, but we'll go across the road and check out the cabins. These look like some really nice cabins right on the lake shore, so you have a lake view the whole time you're there. Probably sit out and have a campfire. You can't go in, campers and guests only. So I hope you got a good view of the cabins. And looks like we're going to be leaving the state park. Thank you for joining me at Geneva on the Lake State Park today. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from Living Like Larry. And in conclusion, as always, please be nice to each other. Give someone a nice wave or a nice friendly smile. Say hello. You might just make their day today. Thanks for watching.